Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a quick look at the JHS Screamer. The JHS Screamer is a refined, expanded version of the classic mid-boosting overdrive that we all know. You still get that familiar smooth drive and tight low end, but JHS adds more headroom, better clarity, and a switch that lets you pick between 3 different voicings. The JHS Screamer is still in production, and it's pretty easy to find through most major retailers. If you prefer going used, it's also common on Reverb, local shops, eBay, all those sorts of places. Usually only at a small discount though, as JHS pedals hold up well and stay in demand. That's enough talk, let's give it a listen. If you love the classic tube scream sound but want more versatility and modern refinement, the JHS Screamer is a great choice. It does the iconic thing perfectly and adds options the original never had. Well, that's us all done. Like and subscribe if you want more of this. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.